about to show you how to make a quick, delicious hash. We have pretty much leftovers. So we have leftover baked sweet potatoes. We have some leftover pulled pork. We have a couple of eggs. And then also we're gonna have a few little simple toppings, Greek yogurt, a little salsa, and cheese. The first thing we're gonna do is dump in our sweet potatoes. We're gonna add some Texana brand Hatch chili infused olive oil. The stuff is really good. It adds some flavor, and it's gonna get the potatoes nice and crispy. You'll see that I moved the potatoes to one side of the pan after they cooked for a little bit, and then I poured in the pulled pork, and that's on the other side of the pan. I didn't need to add any oil because the pork has some fat in it, and it's gonna crisp up nice by itself. All right, it's time to start building our hash. I'm gonna take the potatoes and put those right on the plate. Now I'm gonna build our hash. The potatoes were the foundation, and this crispy pork is gonna go right on top of those potatoes. Don't think that I forgot the seasoning. What I'd like to do is season my hash after it comes out of the pan. So season it on the plate, and I'll use this no sodium seasoning blend. You can use whatever you want. I like to use a combination of paprika, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. One of the toppings I like to use is Little Diablo salsa. I have this double Diablo hot sauce. So I'm using a little bit, and I'm gonna put that right over the potatoes. I'm using this low sodium Parmesan cheese I found. I keep buying it because Parmesan cheese usually has a lot of sodium, and that's one thing I'm trying to avoid. But this only has 2% sodium per serving. I like to crack my eggs into a ramekin. One, I know that I'm not gonna get any shells into the eggs when I fry them. And then two, I'm able to pour these in slowly right over the pan to make sure that the eggs don't spread out too much. Now my eggs are done, so I'm gonna take these out carefully, trying not to break that yolk. Look at that. Look at that, that's perfect. I'm gonna put the Greek yogurt on the side because I don't want it to cool everything down, and some people don't like Greek yogurt. And then I'm also gonna finish it off with a little hot sauce that I made myself. I make my own hot sauce because hot sauce is pretty much vinegar, peppers, and salt. And I like all the flavor, but I don't want the salt, so I just make my own. All right, my hash is done, and now I'm gonna eat and serve some to my girlfriend. People always say, Mike, you and Miriam are such a cute couple. Here's our secret. I start off every day with 3 little words. I made breakfast.
I love you.